Good morning. And that for Dubai driving etiquettes and techniques. And I'm here at the meeting point for my first drive in 2.5 years. Beautiful sunrise. And here we have Ashok sir.
Good morning, sir. Hardik.
Hardik. Hello Hardik, how are you doing? And Vanessa's husband. I'm not going to make the same mistake again. And since Vanessa is not there, Freddie will be leading us today.
Yeah.
Shaz and Musaddiq.
Yes.
And you know Richard. You've all seen him before. And our very own Thomas is the photographer for the drive. And the videographer for the drive, I think, is going to be Ashok sir. You're going to be the videographer for today, right?
Yes, sir. On demand.
And since Freddie, you are the one who is leading the drive, I will leave briefing in your capable hands.
Okay. Thank you. All right, guys. A simple, short briefing because it's actually not that difficult what we're planning to do. This area is not really known as a dune bashing area. And lucky for that. The reason is I love coming to these places because it allows you to pick up your skills again. It allows you to deflate, just start going without overthinking things, without doing massive side sloping kind of activities. And I love coming here. Basically, from a briefing perspective, I've driven, I think, with all of you guys. So I'm sure we'll be fine. We have a really strong team this morning. Few hints, few reminders, few topics. Let's keep enough distance. Of course, we're not going to drive too fast. It's a beginner level drive. I call this a scenic drive, and I think you'll understand why. There's a lot to see, and there's a lot that we want to see. Often, I love doing high level drives as well, but we're always zooming by the decor, as I call it, not really paying a lot of attention to the actual nice scenery. This kind of drive, and I think it was suitable for you, Rahim, to get back into the sand for your first drive. That's why I was happy. I was happy to get back into the sand with you. So thank you. And yeah, the plan is to just do an easy, gentle drive, take photos, enjoy this morning out with great people. So I'm sure it will be great. All the technical background, I'm not going to do the 45-minute briefing. We've all driven so many times with each other. Like I said, keep enough distance. Let's communicate within the convoy. We all have a radio. Let's make sure we're on the same channel. And yeah, I mean, basically the plan for today is we're going to do a bit of driving in this particular area, which is quite nice. And because it's such a strong convoy, actually, I want to go a little bit more up north and cover all three Emirates if we succeed. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
More discipline, guys.
That will be there. I'm not worried about that at all.
Okay, we'll assign convoy numbers.
Well, we'll assign convoy numbers. And
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing